Hello, I am Jasmine Silena Carvajal, and this is my final Pragmatics project. And basically, those are linear equations. Everything's clear?
Yeah, so far so good.
Okay, solve exercise um 7.
Okay, so first, as one is adding on the left-hand side, it goes to the other side to subtract, right?
Yes, that's right. And that is called
The transition method.
the transposition method.
Okay, the transposition method.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that operation gives me -9.
Uh-huh.
So finally, the 3 multiplies the x, goes to the other side to divide to 9, and the result is 3.
3.
I mean, -3, that shit.
So important shit. Actually, that shit made me fail some quizzes.
Hello, girls. How is going? Are you still there?
Yes, mom! Here we
Here we
are! In the previous situation, we can see two friends where one is helping the other with a math topic. In the first line, Marlene makes two pauses. The first one is a filled pause because while she is thinking, she uses a hesitate sound, and the second one is just a silent pause because there is no sound at all. After that, she asks Marlene a question that is actually a pre-sequence because the main purpose of the question is to make a request, and later we will see it. In the second line, Marlene gives feedback on Rosario's question. At the beginning of the third line, we have the word first, a discourse maker which is intended to start a speech. And in the sixth line, we have a violated interruption for Marlene to Rosario. Rosario doesn't finish the sentence because just at the moment Marlene overlaps with the intention of taking the floor. Then Rosario corrects Marlene's entire sentence. So that is other initiated, other repair. In the eighth line, Marlene repeats the transposition method, exactly the last phrase that Rosario just corrected her. That is echo utterance. In the ninth line, Rosario makes a back channel to indicate that she is following the conversation. And later, Rosario makes the same back channel as before. In line 13, there is a self-initiated other repair because she only corrects one word of the entire sentence. Then Rosario puts the word so, an intensifier towards the adjective important. At the end of line 16 and 17, there is an attributable silence because Rosario's mother finishes talking and she is waiting for an answer. And when Rosario's mom knocks on the door, an external noise is generated. That is a physical noise. And the conversation ends with an overlap because both speakers are trying to speak at the same time. Nevertheless, it's not bad at all. This overlap communicates closeness. And so the conversation ends. That's all. Thanks for listening.